In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on Phantom Wallet. This can be very handy if you want to keep track of someone's activity or if you simply want to connect with like-minded individuals. Before we dive into the actual steps, the first thing you need to do is ensure that your Phantom Wallet account is fully updated. This is crucial because the option to follow someone will only be available if your app is running on the latest version. Double-check that you've done any updates, which usually can be verified through the App Store on your device. Once that's sorted out, the next step is to open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Launching the app will bring you to the login screen if you're not already logged in. Make sure to input your login details carefully and hit the login button. This will take you to your homepage within the app. The homepage is your central hub where all your activity begins. Now, to find someone you want to follow, look for the search icon, usually located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Clicking on this icon will open a search bar. Here, you'll be typing in the exact username of the person you're interested in following. Remember, you need to know their exact username, as this will ensure that you're directed to the right account. Sometimes usernames can be a bit tricky, so double-check your spelling if you're having trouble finding them. Once you've entered the correct username, give it a moment to load. In most cases, the account you are looking for will pop up immediately if the username is correct. On this same screen, you should see an option to follow that account. It's typically a button or icon next to the username that says Follow. All you need to do is click on this button, and voila, you're now following that person on Phantom Wallet. Remember, following someone allows you to stay updated with their activity within the app, depending on the privacy settings they've activated. If you've completed all these steps and don't see the option to follow someone, double-check your app version and ensure you're not missing an update. So that's it for today. You now know how to follow someone on Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below or check out the Phantom Wallet Help Center for more detailed troubleshooting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.